How to create a dummy sound card device in Linux server? I want to run Linux program that require a sound card on a server which has no sound card. Is it possible to create a dummy sound card? I am totally unaware of Linux sound system internals. Please point me in right direction. I have followed this example, this URL, but it didn't work out. PS, there is similar question, how to create a virtual sound device in Linux? But this is totally different in the context that the user is creating an alias to already available sound card. Edit. I want a dummy device to be created in /dev/ so that any application that needs a sound device will find it. I am completely unaware how alsa works, so I simply followed the example. I created /etc/a sound.conference with and a play L gives me.
You need to load a dummy sound driver. Please see the alsa wiki for detailed info, but here are the basics. Load the driver. Matprobe SND dummy, Matprobe SND PCM OS, Matprobe SND mixer OS, Matprobe SND sec OS. Have proper a soundtrack file, you have it covered. Configure auto-loading of the drivers. Add this to /etc/modules.conference. #os/free portion, card number 1. Alias sound slot 0 SND card 0. Alias sound service 00 SND mixer OS. Alias sound service 01 SND sec OS. Alias sound service 03 SND PCM OS. Alias sound service 08 SND sec OS. Alias sound service 012 SND PCM OS. There are actually quite a few things involved. I suggest you visit the wiki page above for more detailed explanation.
I too had issues with this when trying to get a dummy sound device working on the Raspberry Pi running Raspbian, derivative of Debian. The Pion has an audio output but no input, and I want to use an application that looks for both, even though I only need an output, ship. However, the info above did not work for me and neither did the wiki page. After speaking with the user form the alsa mailing list, they suggested that the info on the wiki page is out of date. However, they gave me pointers as to how to solve this. Firstly, I only need to load the SND dummy module using However, the device does not stay present after a reboot. On the Pi, this module can be loaded via the /etc/modules file. Editing this file to load the driver produced the desired results. My /etc/modules file simply looks like this. So, the default driver loads first, then the dummy driver loads second. Job done. Good luck. Chris.
I do also use it for Linphone on Raspberry Pi, as it requires an input device. However, I had to add fake_buffer equals 0 param, else the dummy capture device would grab lots of random noise, and that would be weird. You can do it like
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.